The suspect pulls into this apartment complex. Stu runs to the perimeter.
Back it up. Back up.
It's a standoff, and the officer has good reason to be worried. Stu is unarmed and exposed, and violence could erupt in a heartbeat, like it did for a Brazilian stringer. Rio de Janeiro. A stringer follows police on a drug raid. He expects to see a door get kicked in. What he gets is a front row seat for a horrifying gun battle. He's directly in the line of fire, but a stringer sees only the picture, not realizing he's part of the picture. Finally, it ends. The police get their man, and the stringer gets an amazing story and the chance to do it again tomorrow. Maybe this is why there are no old stringers. Los Angeles, 1:57. LAPD have the apartment complex surrounded. The suspect holds them at bay, but he's got nowhere to go. The cops make their move. The suspect goes down. Officers cuff him, and one more lawbreaker is off the streets. It's a successful ending for both the cops and Stu. An LA chase in close-up is a prize trophy. But for Stu, the dog watch hours are far from over. After all, a stringer is only as good as its last shot. So whether it's chases, or standoffs, or riots in the streets, a stringer will be there. And no matter what they get into or dangers they face, a stringer will keep going because news won't wait for them.
Friday, Joe Schilling returns to his kickboxing roots. Plus Republican versus Zimmerman for the heavyweight title. Glory Kickboxing live Friday at 9 on Spike.
Spray this, drive that, wear this, shave that.
Be a man.
If you need to be told how to be a man, Taco Bell's triple steak stack isn't for you. Steak, steak, and more steak. With cheese. Only at Taco Bell.
Every cookie here at Left Twix is extra crisp, so it stays crunchy when we apply caramel and chocolate.
Right Twix has the same thing.
They have packing tape like that over at Right Twix? Try both. Pick a side. Twix.
Introducing the new Degree Dry Spray. 48 hours superior antiperspirant protection that now goes on instantly dry for a cleaner feel. Does your antiperspirant feel dry and clean like this? So you can do this. New Degree Dry Spray goes on instantly dry for a cleaner feel.
At Passages Malibu, we treat and heal the underlying causes of addiction so you can live a healthy, addiction-free life. This is not a 12-step program. I should know. I was an addict for 10 years. Now I'm not.
To end your addiction now, visit